This video is our presentation of Glu Mobile Inc. It's a NASDAQ listed stock trading under ticker GLUU. It's one of our technical stocks to watch this week. I wanted to scale this out to a 6-month chart to see the base the stock formed. Nice support level around $2. Real strong climb to nearly double up around $4. Pulled back, kind of find itself into a wedge pattern now. This is a chart we want to keep on radar to hold some key support levels and also try and break out of the wedge. Now outwardly we're not getting a great deal from the MACD. Slinking its way back towards zero in a downtrend since coming off of those highs, but right now still holding over top of zero. And importantly, it looks like the histogram bars are trending their way back towards zero, which tells us that a bullish cross of the 12 pass through the 26 EMA of the MACD could be set to happen. That would indicate a bullish shift in trend, and holding over top of zero on a retrace is an important characteristic of a chart going back into a bullish trend. Now see the slow stow has also moved upward. Looks like it's going to make a higher low, holding over top of 50. Again, it's an important component to hold the upper half of that indicator because it's a bullish indication of momentum when the slow stow holds over top of 50. So I'll be looking for that level to hold and for this to come through and try and make a higher high and further validate the uptrend in momentum. Similarly with the money flow index, making higher lows, registering a 65 as of Tuesday's close. Again, which is important because if you compare it to right through here, you can see how relative to averages the stock price was trending higher, and a move and a hold above 50 eventually turned into the price per share taking off. So technical analysis a lot of times is looking for repeats and patterns and for indicators holding above key levels. And the MFI trending upward and now holding above 50 is something I'll certainly look for to continue to show bullish price pressure. Same sort of mentality goes along with the RSI. It's a commonly used gauge of momentum. Holding over top of 50 indicates bullishness. It has also been slowly making higher lows and indicating that momentum is being held in this play. So the indicators are certainly leaning towards bullishness. But of course it always comes down to the candles. And what I'd be looking for, from a static support, right there around $2.50. It was the low after the move. It was a general area of very strong resistance throughout this channel that it found itself stuck in for several months. It was a key breakout point when the stock went up and made its recent highs. Came back down, dipped maybe slightly below it, but held that general area as support. And after the next move and the second dip, made a little bit higher low and held above that support point. So that'd be the key level I'd be looking for to hold on any downside pressure. Real quick, I'll put the wedge pattern in there that I was referencing. You can see how the stock price is reaching the breaking point of that wedge, so that becomes time to look for the breakout. Now for starters, I'm looking for the breakout of that trend line. And additionally, I'm looking for the stock price to try and push through this about $3.40 mark to make some new short-term highs and strengthen the uptrend that began at the beginning part of April. If it can break through that resistance point, the wedge pattern's broken, a key secondary resistance is broken, and I'd be looking for it to test the top end up around $4. And if it can break through that, there's not much more resistance in the way until way up near 475. And more importantly, it appeared to be signaling this is a bottom for the stock, and the chart's going to try and continue to uptrend from there going forward. There's plenty of liquidity in this play. 4.3 million shares traded on Tuesday, which was definitely an uptick over previous days, but then again falling somewhere right around the average volume over the past few months. In any technical breakout, I'm looking for volume to stay strong as resistance points are broken to further validate the upward pressure. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the GLUU chart, but as always, merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant, strongly advise you to do your own proper due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.